Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Yogi Bryan, and it's time to be present. It's time to be here. So find your comfortable place, your comfortable spot, somewhere where you can sit down or lie down. Once you find that place, softly and gently close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, you start to arrive. And as you close your eyes, you start to settle. And as you close your eyes, all you have to do is breathe. All you have to do is breathe and listen to the sound of my voice. And clear away any expectations or to-do lists for your day. Imagine a chalkboard or a dry erase board, and you're wiping clear the board. You're wiping clear your to-do list. You're wiping clear your expectations for the day and your expectations for this meditation. And at any time, if your mind wanders, that's okay. Just come back to the sound of my voice and your breathing. Just come back to the sound of my voice and your breathing. And right now, bring your attention and awareness to your breathing. Just notice your breath and observe your breath. And in just a moment, if you like, start to count your breath. Inhaling 4, a 4 count, and exhaling a 4 count. Inhale 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that breathing going. And as you keep the 4 count on the inhale and the 4 count on the exhale, your body and mind start to relax. And as you keep that breath, 4 in, 4 out, I'll say an affirmation. And this affirmation will sink deep into your heart space. And you'll come back to this affirmation throughout your day. And it's a very simple affirmation. So allow yourself to relax, and you can listen to the affirmation, and you can say the affirmation silently to yourself, or you can just listen and let go, or you can drift off into space. Either way, there's no right or wrong way, so just allow yourself to relax as you breathe and as you listen to the sound of my voice. I am present. I am present. I am present. I am present. present. I am 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 present. And now coming back to your breath, listening to any sounds in the background, or the sounds of this music, or the sounds of my voice. Coming back here, right now, in the present moment. And taking this presence with you throughout your day. And whenever you need to come back to the present moment, you hear and say this affirmation silently to yourself. I am present. And you can remain here as long as you like, taking your time, no rush at all, staying here as long as you need. And thank you so much for meditating with me today. Have a wonderful day.